What's up, guys? Welcome to Magnolia Woodcraft. My name is Jonathan, and on today's video we will be going through the process of making my very first cutting board. I never really worked with hardwoods before, so brand new to me. I learned a lot. There's still a whole bunch to learn. I built one off the get-go to see how it would go for me, and it turned out great. So follow along in the video and enjoy. Today we have a few things to take care of. Got to find a home for this guy. Early birthday present for my wife. I had no idea. Huge surprise. Probably gonna clear out some room underneath the workbench. Should be a nice place for it. As far as a miter station, need to clean that up, just tidy it up, get everything, all the junk off of it, in order for me to cut down this hardwood. So I bought some hardwood, got some walnut, some hard maple, more walnut, and some cherry. The plan for the hardwood is to try my hand at making some cutting boards, so make a video on the process for that as well. Got some errands to run, got to meet up with a buddy of mine to help him out with a project of his, so might show you that. And yep, let's get to it. Cutting board looks good. Turned out pretty well. Been in and out of the house. I'm gonna go help out a buddy with that project I mentioned. Finished up the board. I was gonna make two at a time, but I really wanted to see the process of making one. So I didn't want to screw up another one by using too much material. Turned out real good. Just gonna have to get it glued up and let it sit for a while. guys. Like I said, brand new to making anything like this, working with hardwood, making cutting boards. I've made tabletops before out of 2x6 pine, but I mean, it doesn't compare really. Still a whole bunch to learn. I learned a whole lot working with hardwood for the first time. I have spare lumber that I'm going to use to make 4 more cutting boards. So that'll provide even more experience, more learning on my part. I'll be sure to record it all, then you can catch that on the second video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button and join me as I learn how to make more projects, make more things like this, and just anything beginner woodworking related. See you on the next one.